Sneezing, skin rashes, inflammation, headaches, stomach problems. Allergies are a nightmare. They can even put you in the hospital or worse. And you usually don't find out what triggers an allergy until you've been through all that. Was it the cat's hair? What if you could know in advance the things you're allergic to? Better yet, what if you could test for over 200 allergies at once with just a single drop of blood? Exactly. I'm in the offices of Excelsior Bio System, EBS, here in Taipei. Why? Because they have created a new accurate test that can uncover the hidden triggers of allergies in humans and animals. EBS was founded in Taiwan in 2004 and has grown from a small research team into a world-class medical device company with customers and operations in several countries. I am not a doctor, but I can give you this simple explanation. When our immune system is weak, harmless things like pollen, peanuts, cat hair, or milk can produce an allergic reaction. EBS's allergen tests help identify both sudden acute reactions and slower chronic ones. EBS's innovation is in their technology. They use microarray protein chips, tiny glass slides that can test for hundreds of allergens at once, using only a small drop of blood. These chips are cost-effective, eco-friendly, and incredibly sensitive. They detect signals at the picogram level, which is a trillionth of a gram. And because EBS tailors their allergen protein combinations to match local diets and environments, their tests are useful whether you're in Taipei, Mexico City, Madrid, or New York. EBS currently has headquarters here in Taiwan and also in Canada, but over the past few years, they've expanded into the United States, South Korea, Japan, Malaysia, Vietnam, and other countries. In fact, they are now exploring a possible venture in Chile, which could be an interesting first step in Latin America. On top of allergen tests, EBS also produces rapid diagnostic kits that helped during the COVID-19 pandemic. In fact, the company was part of Taiwan's national prevention team and delivered reliable test kits at a critical time. The company also makes probiotic supplements for humans and pets. For patients, fast and reliable allergen tests mean fewer unanswered questions and more peace of mind. They can identify the cause of symptoms they didn't know were provoked by an allergy, and they can take precautions to avoid foods or environmental factors that can harm them. For doctors and clinics, it means faster, clearer results with less cost and less waste. And for healthcare systems, it's about prevention, catching problems early instead of treating them late. And don't forget that these benefits apply to animals as well. EBS's tests can improve the health and the quality of life of house pets like cats and dogs, but also of livestock. This means that families, veterinarians, and the farming industry all have a clear interest in learning more about these products. EBS has a strong record of quality certifications, both international and Taiwanese. They're always on the lookout for new partners, distributors, and collaborators around the world, which sounds like an opportunity worth checking out. Look, like all the companies featured on this channel, EBS does not sponsor this video. But I can tell you I took their allergen test and found out a couple of things I wasn't aware of. Pretty useful. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.